Hello and welcome to this next topic of handling null values. As you must have seen some of the examples of null in previous videos, in this video we will discuss in detail about null. Previous video was about like operator and where clause. So today we will discuss about null. So what is null? See, when you insert value in a table, some of the values might left blank. For example, here you can see these are empty values. Now, by default, they are null. For example, if I try to insert into sample values 12, comma test, comma merit, and I insert null, comma okay. So you can see one row created, and you can see these two values are null. You know why this is repeated? Let's change the space size. Set page size 1000 feet. You can see these are null. So this was one of the way that you put null by explicitly writing null. Okay. Please remember that never give null in quotes. Otherwise, what will happen? Uh, you know, it will be stored as value of null, like this 13, comma sample sam, comma 1 is null, suppose null, comma well, 1 to 2 will be created. But if you type select star from sample, here the value is null, which is wrong. Okay, you should never insert null as single quotes. So what is null? Null is actually just null. It is neither space, okay, neither it is double quotes, neither single quotes, neither it is any kind of white space, or null is just null. Remember this thing. Okay. If you sometimes some of the query might trouble you if you by chance inserted null as a space in a varchar column. It will not be displayed, but it will not be treated as null. I will cover that thing also, but first of all, let us focus more on null, handling null. So let us open another window. So this was the table. Let us comment it so that it is visible in the next window also. So the question is display records of those students which are having balance as 500. What is the answer? Select star from sample where balance equals to 5. Very simple. The answer will come. Okay. But the next question is, I'm typing here also. Display records of those students which do not have any kind of balance. Now you cannot give it as 0. For example, if you try to type select star from sample where balance equals to 0. See what has come. No row selected. This is very important. Null does not mean 0. Okay. This was what I was trying to tell you. It is neither space, neither white space, nor 0. Null is null. Okay. So if you try to give it as 0, the answer will be no row selected. Is this thing clear? Now how to get the answer then? Suppose if you try to write select star from sample where balance equals to null. Now what will happen? Let us see. Again, no row select. Now what? Why? Because see, it is important to understand this because it can help you in many of your placement and competitive competitions. You know, why it has come like this? See, when you give certain value as comparison, what happens? Oracle goes to every record one by one and checks that whether the value of that record is matching this value or not. So when you give balance equal to 500, what happened? Just a second. Okay. So it goes to every record and checks that whether it is equal to 500 or not. So it means there should be some value here to be compared here. But since null is not a value, you cannot compare it. So that is why when you reach this 500, it is not equal to null. When you reach here, there is no value. So you cannot compare it with null. So that is why it does not give you any answer. So what is the solution? The solution Oracle, which Oracle has given is very simple, where balance is null. You can see now the answer has come. Okay. Or you can type it select star from city, select star from sample where city is null. As you can see, there is only one record. This one. This is not null. This is value null. It is null. You can see this 12 has come. Okay. Now, next thing, if you want to make a particular column completely empty, let us do it. First of all, let me commit it, and we have to go back in. So, suppose you want to make city as null, complete all the values empty. What you will do? Let me go here and making a column empty. Okay. What you will do? Update sample set city equals to null. 13 rows updated. Now see, select star from sample. You can see all the values are now empty. This is how you can make a particular column empty at once. We will again roll back so that our data comes back. Roll back. Okay. Select star from sample. It has come back. Okay. Similarly, if you want to make any particular numeric column empty, you can also do in the same way. In this way, all the column can be done. Null. Okay. Now, one more thing that happens with null is that it does not give correct result in case of numeric functions. Okay. Now, suppose if you want to see the balance of all the students, select balance from sample. So you can see this balances have come and the null values have come. Now, suppose you want to see the null values as 0, temporary as 0. So what you can do? You can use our NVL function. Select NVL. In which column we want to apply? Balance. What value we want to give if null is found? We want to give 0 from sample. See, just see and you will come to it. Now see. So in the table, still the values are same. Select star from sample. They are still zero, null. But for output, they have become 0. You can give any value. Suppose you can give select NVL balance minus 10 from sample. It means wherever it will find the value of balance column as null, it will replace it by minus 10. And where it will get the value, it will show it as it is. So you can see where it finds the value, it gives 500. Where it finds the value as null, it gives the value that you have supplied in NP. Okay, you can use it twice also. It's very easy. Select balance, comma. You can check here also what has happened. 2 times. It was 500, so displayed as 500. It was null. It is displayed as minus 10. Whatever you have. you can give numeric as well as alphanumeric values. So, and what was the query of this? This was update sample set city. This was the query of making a column empty, and this was using NVL function. Okay, so this is how you can use why and some one at one place also it is used, that is, suppose if you take the average, select average balance from sample. Now what will happen, you can see the average has come, but actually this average is not correct. This average is actually divided by only 6 7 values that are present in the table. Give these 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. However, the average should be by considering these also as 0. So sometimes if you don't use annual function, your mathematical function might not give you correct answer. So what you need to do, you need to replace, you need to use NVL also here. So what you will type, select average, then we'll do NVL balance comma 0. Why we have done this? Because now see, first of all, see the answer. Now answer has come 361. Why? Let us see, select sum balance from sample. You can see balance was 4700, and if you divide it by 13, select 4700 by 13 from dual. See what has come, 361 by, so now this one is correct. However, if you take this, select 4700 by 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 values from sample, sorry, from dual. So this was this value. So if you want by only non-numeric, no, by only not null values to be done, then it is okay. You can use this. But if you want, it should be the average of all values, whether they are null or not. Then you will have to use this. Okay. So this is how you can handle null values. With this, thank you very much. See you in next video.